How to fix could not connect to the Steam network? First step, restart your device. Close Steam completely, then restart your device. Next step, run Steam as administrator. Right click Steam, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator, enable it and click Apply and OK. Then move on with next step, clear Steam download cache and check download region. For this, click Steam in the top corner, click Settings, click Download Settings, click Download Region. The download region should be near to your region or else your region. Make sure it. Once verify after, scroll down, click Clear Download Cache, click Clear Cache and click Confirm. Once you clicking Confirm after, it will come outside of the stream. Then again you need to log in. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. For adding the application you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click it and click Browse. Go to C drive and browse the application. Once complete after, click Add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click Add and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Click Settings. Click Time and Language Settings. Click Date and Time. And make sure the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both should be in enable. If it's disabled means you need to enable it. It's important settings. Once enabling after, close it. Then move on with next step. Click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and click Reset now. Click Yes and Reset. Thank you.